Hey guys, I'm running my punt 1394. Oops, why is that going? For the Black Panther #1 J. Scott Campbell cover. Thanks everyone for buying into that one. Let's get a timestamp. Uh, 6:49 on the 11th of January. 6:49 on Tuesday, the 11th of January, 2022. And spots are up to 109, which is Dan, up to spot 1, which is Kevin. Put those in. 109 down to number 1, Kevin. Roll some dice. 6 plus 3 plus 3 is 12. So 6 plus 3 is 9 plus 3 is 12. Alright, good luck everyone. 109 items. Double check that. There's 109 items there. Second roll. Third roll. Fourth roll. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2 more to go. We're on 10. Second last. Lucky last. Winner, hit me up when you've seen this. Congrats. Alright, 12 times. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's have a look. Spot number 1 is Andrew with spot number 73. Congratulations. I will check that. 12 times randomized. 12 dice. Andrew, hit me up and I'll send this out to you tomorrow. Time is 6:51 and the time is 6:51 here in Perth. Thanks everyone.